McBrown's kitchen.
For a McBrown's kitchen behind the scenes now, and I saw a channel. And let's dear, a papa was one of a come be pan over no Janet Ama Ama K Abebrese, and then open no Janet. It's a Miss Energy bro for Jenny video. You find out. Hello, sweetheart, to say.
Yeah. I feel like Michi and Nadia, a red papa.
Do you even know when Ama?
You see? But yeah, a very traditional English dish. Your friend is shepherd's pie, but I'm doing English Ghana combo.
All right, into Ama K. Even who were inside.
Thank you so much.
Okay, see hi.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, no, I'm in here. Yet to Kano, get it bow. So when you know, get my interest.
Hey, let's go, please. Let's go. Wanna be with you forever.
McBrown's kitchen.
Quiet.
All right, let's go.
Okay. Action.
McBrown's kitchen.
Ama K Abebrese. Oh yeah. Hey. Oh, why are you talking at me? Why? Oh, my shit, you mean? Why? Get your house.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to Kano, get it bow.
What name is that? What name? That's why I'm McBrown's kitchen. Who follow you on Instagram? Who on Instagram will be? Now page, you know, all right, let's go.
McBrown's kitchen.
Thank you very much. Are we carded?
We are caught.
Yay! Oh, this one.
Sweetheart, baby, before they take it is good.
McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.
Since say Ama K Abebrese, one on a journey in area, Mutimi who say it was very nice. Me to me from a plate to cry and see hono. The food is so good. How are you feeling right now?
I feel good. Okay.
You're doing it. A Janine. Oh.
Oh, lights. Yeah, try it.
Mr. For ain't to say Ama K aye ne cottage pie no area. And you been a media. It's really nice. Ama, how you feeling right now?
I'm feeling good. Like Nana and then my cat Michi number pass around.
Continue.
It's no Charlie. Okay, when I'm in mind, so who say?
Me wanna say wait dear. It's very I ate the pie. You know, me dish shepherd's pie, me cottage pie, sir. But this one there, she's really outdone herself.
Level. I like it.
Pa. Whole experience, Oba, you said to you. So how did you find it?
Oh, amazing. Thank you, Madam Asinyina, Nana, you know, the whole team, everybody. I've been made to feel very welcome. My welcome with me. And I think now I need to go and learn how to pronounce Apotowiwa.
I can't help you.
I'm sorry.
I say Apotowiwa, and see whichever one works.
Apotowiwa.
Ria. No. Oh.
So I will have to learn how to pronounce Apotowiwa.
No.
Riwa.
Okay. I think so.
That's my homework.
Yes. Alrighty. So yeah, that was Sese and Oba. Yeah. Na your gift in this way.
Oh, nice. Oh, Charlie, I'm sure say me drew from my Beijing in Nigeria. Mommy made a normal birthday, so yes.
All right, into for your damase, and then your Ama K and I know cottage pie. Munimia, moon rewind the show, Namushani biom, Namushia. One karaoke. This is the best thing you can give them for lunch, dinner, whatever. No, Johnny. See, I don't want to find. That's the name you be home biom.
McBrown's kitchen, McBrown's kitchen.